Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change the language in Hogwarts Legacy if you're playing through Epic Games on PC. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open up your Epic Games launcher and head to your library. Next, find Hogwarts Legacy and click the three dots next to it. From there, select Options and expand the Additional Language section. You'll see a list of languages like French, German, Spanish, and more. Choose the language you want. For example, let's go with German. Once you pick your language, hit Apply and the game will begin downloading the language pack. Now if your desired language isn't listed, don't worry, you can still add it manually. Click on your profile in the top right and go to settings. Scroll down to find Hogwarts Legacy and add a language code. For instance, use DE for German or ES for Spanish. If you are unsure about the correct language code, a quick Google search for language codes will give you the info you need. And that's it. Once the update finishes, you're all set to play the game in your new language. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.